Do you have one of these little compost buckets in your kitchen? Do you hate emptying it almost every day and taking it all the way out to your big compost? I have a way that I deal with this. Let me show you. This is stage one of my composting, at least for the kitchen. Right? This is where we put all the kitchen scraps and things like that. The thing is, we don't want to necessarily take this all the way to the compost pile every single time. So from here, I'm just gonna walk with you, okay? We walk outside. And there's another staging area. This sort of old pot here is just sort of yard stuff, weeds, things that mostly my wife or other people kind of collect, and they just throw it here. So between those two, well, usually with the kitchen scraps, I come around to these 5-gallon buckets here. Right? And what I do is I've got it tipped down, like pushed down, locked, whatever, on both sides, but not everywhere. That way I can just pull up one side really easily, and you can see there's more stuff in here. So I take all the kitchen scraps, put them in here. When this bucket's full, we basically carry it up over here and we let it sit. When I get a few buckets, I add them to my main compost, which just actually happened. So all these buckets are empty-ish. And we've got some pretty good, here, let me wipe this off for you. We've got some pretty good 130-degree compost going underneath there. It works pretty well for me.